Hello everybody, welcome back to Volcanoids. So really quick before we get started, just like I explained in my Search 2 video, some issues happened. I had a hard drive basically brick itself, and I can't recover it, unfortunately, because it was an SSD. And so I lost all of my footage, everything I had recorded for the past like weeks. So we're going to be not starting from scratch, but basically some things may have changed and it might be confusing. I apologize about that. But yeah, hopefully overall this doesn't put you guys off from watching it all, and hopefully you guys still enjoy the series. Who the fuck is attacking? Alright, so really quick, last time we played, our goal was to get a new segment, and I got one. I got a new segment. I got a refining module, a storage module. We've always had Mr. Pistol Pete over there. We got 2 coal generators on top and a research module as well. We also got some modified tracks to help increase our speed. Our current goal as of right now is to get, well, one, we're gonna go and attack a cog drill ship which is currently underground. I need to build some more ammo and some more grenades, but that's the current goal. Next goal will be to get a hardened drill on the vessel, because that should allow us to, I believe, bore through other rock. But yeah. Oh, also, you guys will also notice, and I'm sure again, I explained it in the search, but you'll also notice some slight changes in there'll also be some changes in the Cyberpunk videos, because I recorded a bunch of story footage and a bunch of it just got, I lost all of it, basically speaking. So yeah. I do apologize again, but unfortunately these things happen. I now have everything either backed up onto a digital hard drive with OneDrive, which is an awesome company, or and I also have it on a secondary hard drive installed on my computer. So hopefully everything will be good. Hopefully nothing will change. For now, our goal is to build some grenades, which require black powder. Oh, again, we're going to have to go underground for this, aren't we? Get on now, dude. Also, hopefully you guys enjoy the music. I was looking back through my last audio recording before everything kind of bricked itself. I noticed that like my whole like background sound was just dull. It was boring as fuck. And I was like, well, that's not good. So instead, we're gonna go through this shit and basically, hopefully, make you guys enjoy the video a bit more, some more audio bites and, well, not audio bites, sorry, more music, and at some point, maybe some more audio bites if I can get around to it. I'm lazy as fuck. We're gonna create 20 of these. Get sniped on. I wish I had a scope on this thing, that'd be so nice. Need copper tubes. Okay. If we run with copper tubes. Nice. Terrible. There we go. Alright. So we're gonna go underground and go about taking on, let's say, tier 2 drill ship. Also, if you guys are wondering what this playlist is, it is Stream Beats Lo-Fi. It's a public playlist. But it is awesome and vibes are pretty good. This one I think is lo-fi one. I also have one for rock, EDM, synthwave, and hip-hop as well, so if you guys are interested in different music instead of just this one, let me know. Travel to the spark of the dragon. What the fuck does that mean? Oh, it's underground. Okay, fuck. I think I went here before, and then I immediately, not this place, but I went underground before, and then immediately left because I had no clue what the fuck I was doing, and there was like a tank and shit, and I was freaking out. Oh shit. Okay, so it is a military vehicle, I believe. That's what the shield and the cog mean. So, ready for a fight, I guess. Make sure I'm locked and loaded and all my ammo. Gotta reload this bitch. So it requires 2 rounds from the sniper rifle to kill those guys. Do I need to hide from the eruption here? I don't think I do. Thank you for all this stuff. I don't know if I have to hide from Eruption Underground. Do I? It's saying to hide. I'm not sure if I actually need to hide or not. It concerns me that's saying to hide, but it's also not saying. Going around just in case. I don't trust that. I don't trust that at all. They're gonna tell me to hide immediately. Oh, okay, yeah. I got underground real fast. That was good. Okay. Alright. Okay, so we're just gonna pretend that didn't happen. Really quick, we're just gonna cut that out. We're just gonna cut it out. Quickly. Back inside. We should be good, I think. I say that, and in truth, I have no fucking idea. For all I know, I'm just, like, waiting for the lava to come pouring in again. I am also hoping, beyond all hope, that you guys can actually hear me, because... I'm gonna check that really quick. Okay, we're good. Alright. While it's going up, we're gonna go through here really quick, sort some stuff. Yeah, no, I hope, beyond all hope, that you guys can actually hear me, because I'm really sad if I record this and it just doesn't work. I love it. I think it's a surprisingly fun game. I hope they come out with more stuff. Because I know they came out with the heavy machinery update a while back ago. Not a while back ago, but well, a while back ago. You know what I mean? Far back enough that it's like it's not like what's the word for it? It's not that it's not too far back. It's too far back. Having a stroke. Don't mind me. I want that good. Oh fuck. This is annoying. I don't know what else to do here. Ah! Shotgun one. Fuck. Oh my god. I missed both those shots. Holy shit, I'm terrible. I do like how the stream beat edited on an applause right there. That's... I feel insulted. There we go. Go back here first. Destroy that. Oh, buddy. Oh, shit. Oh. Was close, my friend. Okay. Yay! I win. Quickly, let's, destroy this bullshit. Take all your grenades. All your grenades are now mine. I approve and I appreciate. What do you not need that I need? Basically everything. So I'm gonna run back to my base really quick and chuck everything into a folder. What the fuck is that? There you go. Just in case it's something weird, like a fucking like a super spawner. That looks like a cool drill, but I want that. So also in the video that I recorded that had no audio and that I lost anyway, I also was talking about the fact that in the next probably couple, maybe 3 weeks, at some point I'm gonna start streaming. Unsure if I want to do it on Twitch or if I want to do it on YouTube. I know that Twitch is kind of like the mainstream platform, but from other people I've heard that it's kind of dying at this point. Give me your thoughts, I guess, if you guys think I should stream on Twitch or if I should stream on YouTube Live. Both have their merits from everything I've heard. You're gonna take that back out, dump those in. Definitely just dump that shit in. Iron scrap metal, fucking thank you. Copper ore. Even more scrap metal. More copper ore. Plates. What else should I drop? Here's some extra healing bullshit. Oh shit, there you go. Grab some converters and take this medical stuff out. I'm gonna have to organize this shit at some point. Soon-ish. Not doing that right now, by the way. I'm just chucking shit around so I don't have to worry about it. Alright. Okay. Back over to that really quick, and we're gonna destroy some more shit and grab some more of the equipment. These are gonna be inside this actually. This also helps fill the gaps of dead silence, of dead air, where I'm not speaking, or like I'm lost in thought because I have derp brain syndrome. Use grenades if possible. I have to take out more time, I know this. Come on, there you go. Take all that. I know there was some standing storage somewhere. Here we are. This is a tier 2 military one. Fancy. Easy to fancy. Ooh, more grenades. You probably shouldn't be giving me these. Alright. Grenade time. Fuck you. Go not. Nope. And go not. Push it! Run away, run away. Yes! Haha! More free shit. These are modified tracks, which I think I already have those on my drill. These are still good though. Oh, God damn it. What can I drop from inventory that I don't need? I don't need another window module. Piss off with that. Your weird bullshit of window modules. The hardened hull part. Nice. Alright. I gotta mine some iron ore. Which actually, that's 283 meters away. Fuck that. I'll fucking drive over there. Man, far too lazy to be running all that way. Should put a door somewhere back there so I don't have to run all the way around most of the time. Should have swapped the door models actually. Have one over here, well, one over there. Okay, put the tracks in there, put the hardened core part, put that one right there. Dump all of it. One thing I need to pull out is my fucking ammo. Can I break the shotgun turret ammo down into actual ammo? What the fuck? Hold on, hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on. I was gonna grab all this shit too. Do the repair kit. You know what, we'll find that out in a second. First off, let's We're 18 meters away, I don't wanna... Why are you making me go over there? Yeah, let's go to ground first. We'll just drive over there and just grab it by driving over it. We're intelligent. We're big brain individuals. My hand's still creepy as shit. Times 5 iron ore. Look at that. Well, shit. Travel to the closest, I guess this is the closest landing site, technically. I'm gonna have to wait for us to actually exit. God damn it. Okay. I have to create 10 alloy. And then reproduce production until 1. But I should have enough for it. Why not? Upgrades and a hardened drill. And reinforced hull as well. Fuck it, we'll do that. That's a tier 2 production thing over there. What question you got for me? You got explore lava source? What the fuck is that? It is time to let the cogs know they're not on this island anymore. Travel to the lava cave and find out what is happening in there. Make sure you bring enough grenades, weapons, spirits for anything you find in there. Time the exploration well. Will waste it. Incoming eruption could force you to withdraw from fight. Then build stronger modules. Except quest and exit quest. really quick. We're gonna go to check our other upgrades and see what this oh, that looks fucking sexy. I don't really have time for your bullshit. Here's what we'll do. We'll actually go and kill this fucking thing over here. I am happy with the drill stuff. So I need to go get some more alloy tier 1 ingots. Oh, Jenna, get time to think. Need some more iron ore. And then I need to make 2 of those, 1 of those. I'm gonna check a bunch of this shit in here that I don't need right now. Why do I have another door module? Holy shit. What is with these things and building or collecting fucking door modules? I don't understand this. Alright, 5 out of 80. I think we're good for right now. Hopefully that's enough. Come on. 2, 3. Hi everybody, I just wanted to say I hope you all enjoyed the video. There was a weird glitch with the hard drive that basically caused OBS to crash. But if you guys did enjoy the video, please let me know. Please like, comment, or subscribe down below. We are currently on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and I hope to see you all there. With that being said, I hope you all have a wonderful night, and I will see you all in the next video. Have a good one.
And now you hit my heart with the speed.